If you really want a great activity for kids, you definitely want to check out these hats that were gifted to me. So this is the set of 40 hats. Now I'm just showing you the colors that are here. It comes in 10 different colors, and they are 4 of each of the different color hats. And so what you can do is so much with these hats. I actually used Posca paint markers on this one, and my son is actually working on his, which is this camouflage looking one, and he even has like some tape here just to kind of help keep that line a lot cleaner as he does his painting with the paint pen. And that works really, really well. It doesn't bleed or anything on there. But another great thing that you can do with this is if you have the ability to do sublimation, you can do that. You can also do embroidery. If you have patches, that would be a really great idea. This would make a fabulous gift idea for like a party, or maybe an activity that you might have at a birthday party, or even in a classroom if you have something, you know, you want the whole class to participate in, or maybe some sort of club or sport. There's so many ideas that you could do with these hats. The only criticism that I have is that they're not all super consistent with the sizing. So like this one in particular, the light pink is quite large, but they don't necessarily come down very far. So they are still children's hats, but just to kind of give you an idea, this is, you know, this is on the same setting on the back here. And I can actually put the red hat inside of the pink, and you can see how it still kind of just like swims in that pink hat. So there are definitely some sizing differences, but that could be actually a good thing. So if you have kids that maybe have, you know, different heads, different size heads, where they're not all the standard smaller head, but maybe there are ones that are just a bit bigger, then you have some options there. So that is kind of the nice part about it, that you do have some variety depending on the kids that are going to be using them. But they are children's hats. These are not meant for adults. We've tried it on my husband, does not fit. Tried it on me, and it just comes up kind of short above the ears, where it's just not as form-fitting as, say, for a kid. But definitely worth checking out. These are great, great hats.